Hey guys, in the last session we had seen how to create a catalog database and register the target database with the catalog. So now we'll see a scenario where management is asking the DBA to check the target databases which are registered with the catalog. Okay, so they are asking us to provide the list. So in the last session I had given you an example that if there are 50 databases, all those 50 databases may or may not be registered with the catalog. You may not know. Okay, maybe 25 databases are registered and other 25 databases may not be registered with the catalog. Okay, so as a DBA we have some views. Okay, before you use the views, you have to grant DBA to the RCAT user. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to access any views. Okay, and also you need to connect to the catalog user to access all the recovery catalog views. Okay, if you are logging to sysdba, you will not be able to access any views related to catalog. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll check all the recovery catalog views under DBA views. So this DBA view contains all the system related views. Okay, so the catalog views has prefix RC. Okay, so these RC views will be available only under recovery catalog. You cannot use these views under target databases. Okay, even if you check under target database, these views will not be there. Okay, always you need to log into the user of the catalog and you have to query all these views. Okay, now all the details related to backup which are performed in each and every databases. Okay, all these details will be available. See, you can see RC backup archive log details. So these this view contains archive log related information of all the database. So this view contains the job related details. This view contains the backup piece, and this view contains the backup image copy. Okay, so each and every view has their own purpose, but our goal is to check which databases are registered with the recovery catalog. So we have a view called RC database. So this view contains all the registered DB ID, their name, and their reset log change number, which is the SEN number. Okay, these information will be provided. So consider that there are almost 50 databases registered with the catalog. Since we don't have sufficient space in the server, we cannot create 50 database, but in reality you may see either 10 database or 20 database or randomly any number of databases which may be registered. Okay, so now you can provide the list of databases which are registered, which is this database. Okay,